Guys, it is Mazebeam here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a custom URL for a YouTube channel. So first of all, what is a custom URL? A custom URL is a URL for a YouTube channel, which is obviously a customized version. And with that URL, you can simply type in your YouTube channel on youtube.com and then your channel name. So I have one, and I'm going to type in youtube.com/mazebeam, and if I type that, you will see that it brings me to my channel, and my regular URL still works, but you do not have to type in this long, and it will be a easier to remember link. And let me show you guys how you can get this. Now, first of all, there are some requirements. You have to have at least 100 subscribers on a YouTube channel. The next thing is that you must have uploaded a profile picture and a banner image. So after you've done that, we can simply click on our icon on the top right corner and then click on YouTube Studio, just like that. After we click on that, we'll be brought to YouTube Studio, and then we'll click on customization. And then we'll click on basic info, and you'll see this part right here, custom URL. Just click on set custom URL for a channel, and this will appear. Now if that doesn't appear, wait for 2 days or so like that, because you'll need to receive a G. So first of all, for what I've experienced, you'll have to basically receive a way to go on passing 100 subscribers email, and then after that, wait like 1 day, and then this should probably appear. So after you've done that, you now have your custom URL. So just publish that, and it should work, and you can obviously delete it when you click on that. But thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.